Hello again, watch lovers. Today I have a vintage watch called Titus. The full name is Solvil at Titus, and it's Swiss made. Um, this is one of the famous vintage watch in Indonesia. Okay, this is a very old watch from 70s, and the movement is ETA 2873. The condition that I got this watch from uh, pawn shop, and the condition is not very good. As you can see, the crystal is scratched everywhere, and it worn out quite long time, maybe 10 or 20 years back then. And the crown is loose, and I have to do some cleaning here, and now it's so much better. Okay, the crown is now better, even if there's a gap. Okay, the dial is might be enamel, the original, and the bracelet is not the original one. It feels it, but it's okay. Okay, you can see the dial. It's rusty, and I try to clean it up as I can, but then here it goes. Okay, might not the best condition, but I'll try to restore it into the good condition. Okay, the hands, maybe the second is not original because it's too short, but it runs well. And this watch, maybe the case, the crystal is original, and but the crown is not. And the case is nice. We still can see the brass metal, and the polish one is intact, although some scratch or worn out. And okay, the lock is quite clean, but some rust there, maybe some dirt. Okay, it's one way to check whether it is original or not is to see the lock when it's well made. It's okay. This is the movement, the ETA 2873, and as you can see, it's gold plated. Okay, the case back is quite weird because it's not meant to be here. It's from Sima Sputnik version, and maybe there's some coin and someone ripped it off, and later on I get the original case back, but yeah, maybe not the same version as the case for this movement and this dial. Okay, but it's nice. Yeah, the condition is not bad at all, and it moves perfectly. Okay, so this is how we wind this watch. The manual wind is okay, it works, and it support quick set for the date. As you can see, there's the date. Okay, and then the power reserve is about 12 hours. It's not very good, but it's reliable. If I wear it for a day maybe, and I just take it off at night, in the morning it still runs well. Yeah, it's nice for a daily watch. And the water resistance is not working, I guess, since the crown is quite loose, and but the bracelet is quite sturdy. Okay, although this feels cheap. Okay, I try to search some old commercial, and this one I got. The price range, yeah, maybe it's about $50 here in Indonesia, up until 150 US dollar. Okay, Titus is quite famous in my country, and yeah, many people still hunt for it with any condition. even if it's broken, or yeah, it's late about 1 or 2 minutes. But in my experience wearing ETA movement, it's quite perfect. It's only lose maybe a half minute a day, but not quite often. Okay, this is the 17 joules movement ETA 2873, and you can see it runs well. It's pretty small, and I only service it once for about $5, $5 US, and yeah, it's run till today and became my daily watch. Believe it or not, the price is not more than $30 when I purchase it. But yeah, I need servicing, some cleaning, and I need to replace the crown, maybe to fix the stem. Okay, I dig down to the history and found that the founder of Titus is Paul Titus. Okay, later on you can see the face, and in the early production of Titus, he won several awards like the chronometer. Okay, but today it belongs to the Hong Kong-based company. It's not a Swiss company, but this watch in my hand is Swiss made, and the company back then in 70s still based in Switzerland. Okay, that's all for this Titus. This vintage watch is one of my favorite, and I'll try to restore it in a good condition, and you can see how I fixed the crystal. Since it's not a glass, this is acrylic. Okay, you can watch it in my other video. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.